Nowadays, artificial intelligence can do almost anything for you. Draw, write books, compose music, and much more. But what if I told you that AI can also help you make money? With the AI-powered Scorpio trade bot, I turn just $50 into over $200,000 in a month by trading on Pocket Option. The results are truly incredible. Pocket Option can literally become your own money printing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading completely for free and achieve similar results. You'll see how everything works in real market conditions. So where do we begin? Go to the Scorpio trade bot, click on the link, and open a new Pocket Option account. Then, top it up for at least $50 using any payment method you want, and you can start earning.
To reach even bigger audience, we've decided to cut the activation deposit in half. Now, after a free testing, you can deposit just $25 to activate the smartest trading assistant. Unlimited signals for every asset are waiting for you. The link is in the description.